Here is what Lactantius, a Christian writer from about 300 AD, had to say about the prostitutes at the festival of Floralia.
They strip off their clothing and act as mimes in full view of the crowd. And this they continue until full satiety comes to the shameless onlookers, their attention held by wriggling buttocks.
Pagan festivals and practices lived on in new forms in medieval Christianity. With origins stretching back to Roman Saturnalia, Carnival was more season than holiday. At Carnival, revelers feasted as if they would never eat or drink again.
Tonight, the two of you are racing, trying to get your hands on our exclusive sex god craft.
Okay.
Either pink or in gold. If you are the lucky contender who is able to make your sex god come the quickest, LOL. Now all you guys gotta do, take the two red balls right at the base of your table. Once I count to 3, you gently roll them up under the glass. Try to penetrate your god in any hole you like.
Yeah.
Every hole is good, shoot it wherever you want. Just keep in mind, although they all add up, the 2 red ones in the back, those are the G spots. Need I say more? Alright, y'all.
I like your words.
I think you got it, no worries. On the count of 3, get ready to shoot those loads. 1, 2, 3, raise!
Just like the bedroom I missed.
It happens.
Oh. Come on, G-spot! Yeah! Damn diabetes. I went up the wrong hole that time.
It is very close, guys. Almost there. Keep it.
Yeah, I got a G-spot!
We got our new Sex God champion! Congratulations.
Oh, you win!
I won!
You are the winner. Nicely done. Are you taking the golden or the pink?
Which one do you want, love?
It doesn't matter.
I'm clearly not the sex god. Oh yeah.
Whee!
Okay.
I don't want to jump, I'm gonna break myself.
Whoa.